Already made a mess. It's really freaking nice hotel though. We're back for the night. We're going to bed.
Oh, this is our view. Yay.
It could even be your insurance copay.
I can't see you guys' faces, it's dark.
That's pretty cool though.
You stand this way. Stand over here.
Hmm?
Right here.
Now let's take a picture right here. Going this way.
You're a little cutie.
Have you had fun this trip? Yeah, I've had a lot of fun. We stayed pretty busy. Didn't do much talking to the camera. But today is Sunday, the 21st. Didn't think about that. Today's Sunday, March 21st, the day before our anniversary. And we are going to Eureka Springs as our last final day of our little getaway trip. We have been very cautious and safe with everything. It's just been busy trying to catch a little bit here and there, so I haven't done a whole lot of vlogging, but I'm going to try to do a little bit more today, hopefully. So we'll see. It's very pretty up here, but very curvy. But we're in the mountains of, I think it's the Ozarks. I've lived here almost all my life and I still don't know.
TopGolf was fun though.
Oh, TopGolf was so much fun. I was not expecting to like TopGolf as much as I did, and the way we golfed or whatever, it reminded me of bowling, and that was just I don't know, the atmosphere of it. It was like what's the bowling where they turn off the lights and it's got all the neon lights? It's not neon, yeah, black lights. It's like black light bowling, which is I think that's what it's called. It was kind of like that because all the holes would light up with the rhythm of the music. Ooh, I'm really bleached out or whatever from the sun. But it was really cool. Like, I was not expecting that at all.
It's pretty cool.
It is really pretty.
Always waiting for them. Always.
Real doggy over there. Right there? That's Zorn.
Alright guys. You guys are in the movies now.
I don't know why I'm smiling still.
I don't know about this Razorback guy though.
It's got Amy Whitehouse.
Yeah.
Oh, they got Tupac.
Yeah, I was looking at this stuff. It's really kind of cool. It's all made from like nuts and roots and
B-side
B-side Cafe.
Alright.
Yeah.
in Eureka Springs.
Yay!
Look at this.
How pretty that, ooh, that makes me.
Is that
What are you doing?
Get a stick.
come on, do it.
Yeah.
It's supposed to like make something happen. Like release a dragon or something.
Oh yeah, there we go. I think.
Zoltar.
Make your wish though.
Alright,
I wish she was big.
Wait, which way are we going?
this way?
All right. Ready, go.
Well, that was ridiculous.
Zach's like, I'm not impressed. He said, just let me go to the car.
Jiggity jig jig. So where are we going, hon?
We're gonna go see the Crescent Hotel. I'm kind of excited about this. I've always wanted to go, and I've never been. And then they, who is it? Ghost Hunters.
Take the next
Had
right
it,
onto Midway Street, then turn right onto Kings Highway.
The GPS is telling us where to go.
Okay, we're gonna go right. This is like
Turn
a,
right onto Kings Highway.
This is like a town then.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's pretty cool.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Washington Street.
This place has a San Francisco vibe.
It really does. Boy, really work those legs.
Okay, down the hill.
Yeah, that one hill, I really thought I was gonna fall down like as we were going down it because it was so steep, and then it had a bunch of rocks on it, so it made me feel like I was just gonna glide across it. That's a hospital? It looks so tiny.
That's a nice community.
Yeah. It's crazy.
Really nice community.
It really is. I'm glad we came up here and did this.
Yeah.
I thought it said Red Rum Manor. I'm like, oh, this is Red Side Manor.
Wow, all these roads is really zigzaggy.
Yeah. Gotta think though, it's on a side of a mountain.
It's cool though.
Take the
Yeah,
second
it is.
left onto Washington Street, then turn right onto Mountain Street.
Talk about this place, because I don't know this place. What is this place?
So I don't know a whole lot about it, but they had it on Ghost Hunters, and they did an investigation here, and they did find some ghosts and stuff. Because I do know that it was originally, I think, could be wrong, but it was a hospital for one of the wars. I want to say the Civil War, but I'm not 100% on that. I just think it's just
Cool. I guess I'll go inside then. That's so cool though. We're gonna go upstairs?
I am not going to the elevator. Fourth, right?
Yes.
Just 3 or 4. We're gonna eat at the bar upstairs because currently right now it's not open to the public except for the bar. But then it was full, so we couldn't do that. But that's okay. And then I got to go to the gift shop and I got a shirt. Oh, it's so cute. It's got a little moon on it.